Hello everything! How are you to find that? So, ayan nga. Nakita niyo na sa title ko kung ano ang gagawin natin ngayon. So, I am so excited dahil i-interviewin natin si Miss Everything. At ayan, feeling ko itong video na to, sasakit ang tiyan nyo, maiihi kayo. Dahil kilala niyo naman si Miss Everything, guys. Kalokohan, lahat, everything, good vibes. Ayan, yan ang dala niya sa atin. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na at i-like mo ang video na to, i-share mo to sa mga barkada mo, at mag-subscribe ka ulit. Ayan, so, kailangan natin ng subscribers, guys. So, happy 300 subscribers. So, dapat maabot na natin yung 1,000 subscribers at 4,000 watch hours.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
4,000
fucked up.
watch hours ngayon kasi meron tayong bad news nga nun sa ano. Pero hindi pa confirmed ata yun. Yung isang vlog ko, ilalagay ko dito, guys. Ayan. So, basta yun na. Sana ma-enjoy nyo tong video na to. Huwag yung kakalimutan mag-subscribe and let's go. Tatawagan na natin siya. So, ayun, bago tayo mag-start sa ating video, mag-shoutout muna tayo. So, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-shoutout sa aking mga past video. So, ngayon, mag-shoutout na tayo. So, yun guys, shoutout kay Courtney Tagulao, shoutout kay Raf Kenneth Vlogs, shoutout kay Jo Maria the Twin, yung kambal ko. So, subscribe kayo sa channel niya, guys. Shoutout din kay Kuya Jake Espanya, shoutout kay Jessie Pablo na super comment sa mga posts ko sa YouTube. And shoutout kay Rochelle Agbuya na tumutulong sa akin na mapalago yung channel ko. Hello, I love you, be. Shoutout kay Charmaine. Shoutout kay Jaila sa panonood ng aking mga vlog. So, ayan guys. Kung gusto mo ma-shoutout sa aking next vlog, mag-comment ka nga dito sa aking video. So, ayan nga guys. So, napansin nyo nag-ipit na ako kasi mainit. Tanghali pa lang ngayon. Ay, hindi ko alam. 4 na pala. So, tatawagan natin si Miss Everything maya-maya. So, meron akong good news naman guys, besides dun sa budget sa sinabi ko kanina. May pag-giveaway ako ng brushes, yung pre-loved brushes na mga gamit ko. Hindi ko naman na nagamit. Simulang binili ko, nag-stock lang ako. So, ayun, papag-giveaway ko siya. Kung gusto niyo yung mapanalunan yun guys, ilalagay ko sa description box yung video ng pag-giveaway ko. So, panoorin niyo yon at gawin niyo yung mechanics para manalo kayo. Ayan guys, so lumipat na tayo ng pwesto. Dito na tayo ngayon sa kwarto namin ni Jana. So ayun, bago tayo mag-start nga, may pahabol na shoutout tayo. So shoutout kay Jack Torres, nakasama sa Jojowa Intro Tropahin vlog ko. At shoutout kay Ate Grace din, na nagpapa-shoutout sa akin. So sana mga anak ka na para magka-baby na tayo dito sa bahay. So ayan. So, wait lang. Tumatawag na si Miss Everything. Sagutin na natin guys. Hello, Miss Everything. So,
Hi everything! How are you to find out?
saan nga ba nagsimula ang Miss Everything?
Is na ako ng hi everything. Ayun na po, dito lang po sa amin na sabi nila, bakit hi everything? Yun po.
Saan ka naman naliligo, Miss Everything? Kasi napansin natin, di ba, ngayong quarantine is hindi tayo ganun ka-often maligo. So, naliligo ka pa ba? At saan ka naliligo, Miss Everything?
Well, to swing like that and meron dito siyang shark. We can jump like this. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Like a shark, okay? It's baby shark, okay?
Ano bang ibang pinagkakabalahan mo bukod sa pag-video at pag-vlog?
I am a wak-wak. You know wak-wak? I think like that. My family is a This is my entrance. This is my entrance. This is very well entrance disaster. Okay? First our entrance, we will see my garden. Okay? My garden is very gardenized. Because some others plant are very wonderful to plant a tree. Okay? Like this. I'm going to tour you. Because I am a haciendera. You know haciendera? It's a madam like that. And this is my money. You know money? A nut, a coconut. Okay? It's money. It's very well to plant a money because it's well to reproduce the people and its product very well. Okay? And then this is not only my place in the garden. I have what do you call this? Makahiya. You know makahiya? Makahiya is one of my guard here because it's very tunukun. You know tunukun? They have more thorn. Okay? Thorn. It's very well to be a stining. Okay? And I have a tree with anara. You know anara? It's very nars. Okay? A nars. Okay? And it's very well to tambay. You know tambay? Like no, tambay. It's very well to like this. And you have many seat. You can sit down. You can sit down. Sit down. You can sit down. And it's not done. This is my kwarto. It's a roommates, okay? And this is my lavabo. You know my lavabo? Ako lang mismo ang nag-roll over. Okay? Ako lang ang naggawa nito since grade 5 ako. Okay? This is my grade 5. Okay? I'm pumping like that. I mixer like cement. I mixer and patag. You know patag? Tiles, okay? And thank you so much. Okay.
Ayan guys, so sana nagustuhan niyo itong video na to ng collaboration namin ni Miss Everything. So, hindi ko pa siya, ay muntik na, hindi ko pa siya nako-contact. So, ayan, medyo gawa muna tayo ng parody ngayon para mapasaya kayo. At sana naman nagustuhan niyo itong aking video, ay itong aking vlog. Sana nagustuhan niyo to at give this video a massive thumbs up. Share this video sa Facebook mo, sa Facebook ko, or sa Facebook natin lahat. And I don't care, basta mapatawa ko kayo. That's a goods for us. So ayan guys, always remember, be gorgeous, be glamorous, be authentic, be Michaelicious. Bye guys!